grateful for you, Amy, and happy to be here. And I'll just tell you, my story is a little bit different. I was one of the ones that kind of started on this journey with Kim and Samson and Lance and Tracy, and it's been incredible. What a journey. So when we first started in the industry, it was about 15 years ago, and my husband was an attorney, a very busy attorney. I mean, he worked day and night, and I was a scientist for a pharmaceutical company working in drug development, it was a global position, and we were incredibly busy. We had 5 kids at home. We had animals, dogs, cats, no cats, just dogs. Mike didn't like cats. So, and we had, one of the dogs had puppies. I had 12 puppies. Wow. And it was crazy. My parents were living with us because my mother had Alzheimer's. So, I mean, every day it was just a lot of work, right? You can just imagine. And just incredibly out of time for the two of us. We really didn't see each other that much at that time. We hardly took vacations. It was really a struggle. And he came home one time and he said, I met this, he had been working for a group of entrepreneurs, Lance and Tracy and some others, and doing some legal work. And he said, I think we could do this. I think we could do this industry. And I looked at him like he was crazy. We don't have any time. There's no time to do this. And he said, but this is what it will give us. It will give us time. And so at one point, after we began in the industry, he started to slow down on his law practice and worked mostly in this industry with Lance and Tracy and our team. And it was wonderful. It was really great until around 2021, when we found ourselves really looking for a new home and a new company. And like Lance said, we were very picky. We didn't want to just go anywhere. We wanted to go with a company that we could make sure was run by a good corporate team, right? And had integrity, transparency, right? And for me and for all of us, I think, we had to have good science. I have a lot of colleagues in the medical field that look at what I do. They look at me on LinkedIn and everything, and they watch, right? And so, I have a paper that just got published in the American Journal of Kidney Disease. I'm publishing all the time still, right? And I could not get into something that I couldn't put my reputation behind. And so that's why I'm here. It's one of the big reasons I'm here, is because I know these products have really good science. The studies that we do here, none of the other supplement companies are doing anything like these studies. And the reason is because they don't have to. You don't really have to do efficacy and safety studies with supplements. There's certain guidelines you have to follow, but for manufacturing, but we don't have to do that. And this company spends the money and takes the time to give all of us really good stuff to talk about out there. So, I couldn't have asked for a better place to be. We just have a great group of, it has given me a strong community of people to be with, right? And we all have this shared like-minded vision. And that's just what we were looking for. We really hope that you choose to join us.